Okay, here are more examples of factoring polynomials. So, I'm going to explain how to find the greatest common factor fast. The first thing I'm going to do is look at the numbers. 8 and 6, see those numbers? I'm going to try to find the greatest number that divides both numbers out. So 6 is 2 times 3, and 2 divides both numbers out. 8 and 2 divides 8, but 3 does not divide 8. So 2 is the greatest number dividing both numbers out. So I'm going to pull out 2. Next, I'm going to look at the variables. K is common. Here K, here K. So I'm going to pull K out. And then X is also common here and here. There are 2 X's here and 3 X's here. So I can say 2 X's are common. So pull out X squared. The next thing I'm going to do is to think about this. 2kx squared times what is 8kx cubed? Well, first of all, 8 is 2 times what? 4. Right? 2 times 4 equals 8. Now we pulled k out, so k is gone now. We pulled out x squared from x cubed. That leaves just one more x. So 2kx squared times 4x, they make up 8kx cubed. So look at the second term. Now 2 times what is 6? That's right, 3. 2 times 3 equals 6, and k is pulled out, so nothing is left for k. And then x squared is also pulled out, so nothing is left for here. So this is it. This is the factoring of the polynomial. I can move this parenthesis over here to make it look nicer. Again, let's look at the second example. Look at the numbers first. 7, negative 5. And what's the number here? Well, this is 1 times x to the 4th. So the numbers are 1, negative 5, and 7. And the greatest number dividing all the numbers out, well, that is 1, because 1 is the smallest number. So 1 divides 1, 1 divides 5, 1 divides 7. If 1 is the greatest common factor of the numbers, you don't have to actually write it out. So don't pull out any number at all. So I'm going to erase this number out. Now let's look at the variables. We have x here, so x here. So x is common. So we pull out one factor of x. Now look at y. Y is common in the second and third term. But y is not in the first term. So y is not common to all 3 terms. So don't pull y at all. So x is the only common factor of the 3 terms. So we pull out x from x to the 4th. Well, that leaves 3 x's. It's x cubed. So minus 5. So we pull out 1x from x squared. That leaves 1 more x. So x times y plus 7. Now x is gone. Y squared.